Hi students of class 12. The topic to be covered today in genetics is multiple allelism. All of you know that normally a trait is controlled by a gene with two alleles. That is, a gene has two alleles. In multiple allelism, more than two alleles are seen for one gene. That is, one gene has more than two alleles. Now you will learn about the inheritance of traits in multiple allelism. Multiple allelism is a pattern of inheritance in which a character is controlled by genes with more than two alleles. Example, human blood group ABO. All of you know that there are four types of blood group, namely A, B, AB and O. These four types differ based on the type of glycoprotein seen on the plasma membrane of the RBC. And this glycoprotein are controlled by the I gene. This I gene has three alleles, IA, IB and small I. Both IA and IB are dominant alleles and small I is recessive. Every individual possesses only two of the three alleles. All the three alleles are not seen in an individual. An individual has only two of the three alleles. But when you examine a population, it is seen that all the three alleles are present in a population. So, the three alleles of I gene are IA, IB and small I. Now, let us learn the phenotype of the different blood groups as well as the genotype. Now, there are four different phenotypes in human population. A, B, AB and O. So, these are the four different phenotypes. Now the genotypes are IAIA or IA small I for A blood group. IAIA is homozygous condition and IA small I is heterozygous condition. So the two genotypes of A blood group are IAIA and IA small I. Now when you study the B blood group, the two genotypes are homozygous IBIB or heterozygous IB small I. In AB blood group, the genotype is only IAIB. Last class you have learned this pattern of inheritance is codominance because both the alleles IA and IB are equally expressed. Now in O blood group, the genotype is small I. So the four phenotypes of blood groups are A, B, AB and O, and there are six possible genotypes in human blood group. The six possible genotypes are IAIA, IA small I, IBIB, IB small I, IAIB, small I. AB blood group also comes under codominance because both the alleles IA and IB are equally expressed. Now here you can see an inheritance of blood group. A man with A blood group marries a woman with B blood group and they have a progeny with O blood group. What are the possible genotypes of man, woman and the child and also the possible genotypes of the offspring? So A blood group, the man can be either having the genotype IAIA or IA small I. The woman with B blood group will have the genotype IBIB or IB small I. But since they have a progeny with O blood group, the man and the woman will be heterozygous. Only then the small I gene will be inherited by the child. So the genotype of the child is small I. The genotype of the man is IA small I, and the genotype of the woman is IB small I. Now you can see how it is inherited. So this is a genotype of the father, IA small I. Genotype of the mother is IB small I. IA small I can produce two types of gametes. Some gametes are carrying IA and some gametes are carrying small I. Similarly, IB small I produce two types of gametes. Some gametes are carrying IB and some gametes are carrying small I. If the IA gamete of the father fuse with the IB gamete of the mother, you will get IA, IB and AB blood group. If IA gamete of the father fuse with the small I gamete of the mother, you get IA small I, that is A blood group. If the small I gamete of the father fuse with the IB gamete of the mother, you get IB small I, that is B blood group. And if the small I gamete of the father fuse with the small I gamete of the mother, you get small I small I. So 4 different phenotypes are obtained in the progeny. So this is what you have to learn about multiple allelism. Hope all of you have enjoyed my topic. If so, please click like, comment and subscribe. And for detailed notes and other materials, please visit my website www.ranipradeep.com. Thank you.